Creating a Lumi assessment, you do not need to open and close the application. All you need to do is to go to this portion here that has the plus symbol and new H5P file. So click that one and you can now begin creating an assessment type. In this tutorial, I will be helping you on how to make image memory game. So type memory. Okay, so this is our memory game. So click the details blue button. So again, you can click the content demo if you want a demonstration of this particular assessment, or directly click the blue use button. So I already have my pictures for this particular tutorial. So we have here the default card 1 and card 2, but again, you can add more cards for this particular assessment. So for image 1 and the matching image, so click first the image that you are going to match. Okay, go to your folder. So I have your pictures. So let us say I'm going to use Arthropoda again for this memory game. Then the matching image, Arthropoda centipede. So pwede nang hindi dagdagan ng alternate alternative text for image. Okay? Then we will use the second card. Okay, add image. I have here core data. Then the matching image is the rodent. Okay. Then the last, again, you can add more cards, more than six, or as long as it can fit to your screen. So my third card is Echinodermata. Then the matching image is the starfish. Okay, I'm going to add the fourth and the last card. Okay, say Nematoda. Then the matching image is the worm. Okay, that's it. Okay. So if you want to change, let us preview first. Ups, walang title. So let us say match the picture to the second picture. Pwede rin Tagalog or in Visayan. Depende po sa inyo kung sino po yung mga estudyante natin dyan. So let us click preview. Okay, naka-gray po siya. But if you want to change the color for this box, go to edit. Okay, so from edit, punta tayo doon sa look and feel. So gray po kasi siya kanina, pwede po nating palitan ng yellow para magkaroon naman po ng kulay. Okay? You can also make your own back cover for your cards. Kaya lang you need to upload the back cover. So let us preview again. Ayan, nakukulay na po siya ng green. So all the students to do is to click the picture, then match to the second picture. So is that correct? Correct. Kasi po nagkakaroon na po siya ng blurry or grayish color sa box. So click that one. Centipede belongs to wrong. So nematoda belongs to okay, this is correct. Ayan. Ayan po siya. Let's match. About this one. A centipede belongs to classification animal chordata. Is that correct? Wrong. How about this one? Rodent to arthropoda. Still wrong. So chordata and the rodent is paired. How about this one? So so I got 14. Okay. Score is 14. So I can reset if I'm going to retry making answers. Okay, that's all for memory game.